say that why we have chosen this particular 12 CPSEs is primarily on account of very low service requirement. Whereas in the last year we saw that the goods procurement was very good for all the 12 CPSEs, but somehow the services was falling very short. What we have seen is that if you see the overall mix, almost 77% is goods and 23% is services. But among CPSEs, we have seen organizations like GeM, ONGC, which have a very heavy 30% service mix. So there is no reason why X, Y, I will not name any CPSE should remain at 1% only, 1% or 2%, maximum 3%. I think the maximum here is 3% service overall procurement. So in that context, we thought primarily because Honorable Prime Minister has given a very stiff target of achieving a run rate of 75% by 15th August and about 100% by 31st March. So we thought maybe this is the right time, 4 months down the line in the financial year, we should all again put our heads together and see where this can be increased. So we thought we'll put our entire services team here, explain to you all the functionalities available, and maybe clear all your doubts as to why the organization is not able to procure services.